bet you have never seen this gun dog breed before. This breed is called Chinese rural dog. It is a very common breed that you can see in China, especially in the countryside. Some people also call it Chinese country dog or Chinese village dog. Most people would never know they are a versatile breed. In the past, Chinese hunters used this breed to hunt wild boar, deer and upland bird. Unfortunately, hunting is prohibited in China now, so less and less people would know this breed can hunt. I shipped my dog from China to Canada in 2016.
Good.
I just want to keep the heritage. I did not think of making some videos until my dog is old.
Okay, good.
All I want to is to record the hunting time with my dog when she still can hunt. And I want the world to know that there is one more awesome breed that hunts upland birds unbelievably. Most Chinese rural dog are fleshers. There's rare chances this breed could have a pointer.
Bye.
Today is the pheasant hunting opening day. There are lots of pheasants on my right side bush. I will push the birds to the coulee and hunt them. The best plan to push the birds to the coulee is walking from the northeast corner, but there is some sharp metal around that area. I do not want my dog gets injured. It was a cloudy day and it was going to rain around AM. I wanted to start hunting early and finished early before it rained.
Wow. Well, well. 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 Well.
I shot the bird, but I could not find it. The dog is chasing other birds. There were so many birds running around here. It would impact the dog sniffing the wounded bird smelling. I would come back later where other birds' odor faded. I was confident that we would find the wounded bird. Stay tuned. Sorry, I did not set up the camera's angle properly. She is Birdie.
Well. Well. Gotcha. Oh, good. Oh, good. Go. Go. Oh. Wow. Here, wow. Wow. Oi. 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 Good. Oh, good. Hey. Wow, good, 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 good. Oh my God. Good. Wait. No. Good. Oh, a rooster. Oh, no. Look at that.
It started raining, so I went back to the spot that I shot the first bird to find it.
Good. Found it. This is the wound one I shot. Oh, good. Oh, good. What the hell? It's still alive. Huh? Where the back? Ah, tough bird. Okay, let's go for the last one.
I went to another spot for my last rooster. The birds were on the uphill or the bush. Hard to shoot the birds for solo hunter cause no one will block the bird's escape path on the uphill side. The dog was birdie. The pheasants were either running into the bush or flying away.
Oh, hopefully should get it. Oh no.
I did not set up the shotgun properly for upland bird hunting. Sorry. I thought it dropped around here, but it ran away when it landed.
Boom! Boom!
I thought the bird should be around here, but the dog picked up the smelling and went up to the top. And I also thought she was chasing another bird. However, you will be shocked how far she chased and found the bird. Stay tuned. She was confident, so she ran away. I thought there were some birds here and caused her to chase another bird. Too much different birds smelling would cause her to chase a different bird. That was why my first bird I would wait until other birds smelling faded. Then she would find the wounded bird easier. However, she was right. She was chasing the wounded bird. Sometimes I wish I could read her mind.
Holy. Whoa! Hopefully that's the same bird. Oh, there you go. Whoa. Nice. Good job. Oh. Good dog. Oh. Oh. Oh, good. Oh. Good dog. Oh, good. Oh, holy, poor birdie. Oh, good. Oh, I shot it and she got it. Oh.